Dear Diary, well, it's me, brand new bride slash soon to be wife. I can't believe it's been a whole year since the proposal. Right after Christmas, we started planning the wedding, this time for real, because we were slacking a little bit. Finding a wedding dress was so stressful. I tried on over 30 dresses, but looking back at that time now, I'm so glad because my wedding dress really was worth the wait. Genuinely, I was starting to get really scared and I just thought that it wasn't going to happen. Once the invites were out, it was time to start buying everything for the wedding, and we ended up shipping boxes to Aruba to be able to bring our vision to life. Well, let me tell you, 14 boxes ended up going to Aruba, and thankfully everything arrived safely. We're getting married, we're getting married.
Princess, look out of the window and welcome home to Aruba.
Oh, there it is, my beautiful Aruba. Of course, I'm completely excited to be back, but I'm also a bit nervous.
The bride has landed.
Hello! T-minus 4 days and a couple of hours, and then we will be married. We have a very hectic day today because we are going to do our DIYs today, and we have to purchase a bunch of different things to complete the DIY. So first we're going to go to my father-in-law's house to get all the boxes that we shipped here, and then at 10 o'clock, which is in 15 minutes, thankfully everything's super close to each other. So we're gonna get everything and then bring it over to the decorating crew because we are going to DIY every single flower arrangement and centerpiece today. I'm nervous about how this is gonna go. I'm excited though to be done with this part and that I could actually feel like I'm on vacation. It feels like I'm dreaming, literally dreaming that I'm here, because it's been 2 years since I've been home. But let's just see how today goes. I just hope that we get to finish everything so that tomorrow on Saturday we get to kind of husa and relax, because I think we need a little bit of relaxation as well before the wedding. Little change of plans. We have all the boxes in my father-in-law's car. And then we're going to drive to my aunt's house now with 8 minutes to spare. So we're still on time. This is I'm kind of stressed, but not really stressed, but kind of stressed face. I should put my shades on. Yeah, it's such a cute fit.
Naomi, weet je hoeveel mieren me gebeten hebben? Ik heb nog een bandje in de auto. Ik zeg ons, we zien een jaar bomtrouwen klaar. Echt? Naomi! Maar wel leuk. Wauw. Deze dingen moeten... Ik wil niet aan niks.
You know what the thing is? When you're planning a wedding, you find out exactly who is there for you. And trust me, it's the most amazing feeling when you see the people you love come together to lend you a helping hand. Say hi, everybody! Ja, maar nog wel. Hey joh.
Mooi die keel.
Kan je gelijk aansluiten? Ja. Maar gewoon daarop plakken met handdoek of zo.
Nee, die stenen waar je niet kan
Die zijn ander, toch?
Huh?
Doe je dat?
Dus jullie zetten het erop.
Bijvoorbeeld...
Nee, dat is echt lopen.
Denk je met handwerk?
Oh, here she comes. Watch out, boys.
Nu nog steeds met
It's opening! Yeah! Hold it. Okay. What are you talking about? Okay, it's all going down. Hola! Creation! Pretty! Never like... Okay, mini update. Wat is er? Zet maar even daar. Yeah, I can't be bothered. Whew, I'm so tired. So we made practically all the flower arrangements. I'm itching everywhere, but I'm so excited. Same. Yeah, I can't even wachten. I think I'm gonna take off my contacts because I think they're bothering me a little bit. It's just too hot and my makeup's melting off. It's not made of honor duties. Oh my gosh, I'm so grateful. Kijk hoe iedereen zingt. The moon is the only side we see. Okay, so basically all the flower arrangements are almost done. We've been here since, what, 10 o'clock I think? And it's now almost 3 o'clock. And we got a lot of things done. I'm very, very grateful. I'm so happy. Now them singing in the background, I can't. Yeah, the gratitude that I feel, I could literally cry. We managed to finish all of the flower arrangements. Well, actually not all. We're still missing 3 of them. But we're gonna finish that tomorrow. The people just showing up and helping out. I'm so grateful. I'm gonna jump in the shower real quick and just freshen up because I'm itchy, sweaty, it's way too hot. So I'm going to quickly freshen up because we have a meeting in 45 minutes with our photographers and videographers. So, oh my god, it's really hot. I am literally going to scrub myself when I get to my parents' house. I'm sleeping there tonight until tomorrow because yesterday, let me give you a little update because I feel like I've been very all over the place today. My mind is just not completely here. I'm constantly I can't remember things. It's just like all over the place. But basically last night we got home 5:30. We slept at my brother-in-law's house, and we really needed to get all the decorations because everything was shipped to his place. So everything was there, and then my father-in-law actually was with us yesterday and he brought it to his house closer by to my aunt's house. And then this morning we had to pick up the stuff, come here with everything, and then we started the decoration process. So now, after a whole bunch of back and forth, my fiance was every and anywhere. Now everything's finally starting to get like a picture. We still have a lot to do, but all of that's going to be just fine. First up, or second up, photography and videography. We have 2 videographers, 1 photographer. I actually wanted 2 photographers, 2 videographers. Not going to work, but that's fine. I'm going to take my stuff now. Also, my face is so oily. Also, am I in focus? I'm probably not. It's focusing on the bag. My bad. Yeah, I wanted to we'll talk about this in the car. I'm going to actually just spray a little perfume. Stay. Just a little bit. I feel like this kind of adds to the heat, honestly, but it's fine. It's just so hot, bro. I have no clue how I'm gonna do wedding day because it's so hot. I think I'm gonna have to redo my makeup for the night. Like completely, not take off, but like completely like add on to it because it is crazy hot.
Y su casa más o menos 8:40, pero...
That's perfect. ¿Está bien? Sí, sí. Entonces, no hay que schedule en el tiempo, ¿eh? Entonces, mi casa en TikTok transition. So, mi vez está kla 8. Mi vez está kla 8. So, make sure que we both film a sign and si você não tem, then we just film a sign for me, and then after we just take some pictures. We just finished our meeting with the photographers and videographers. I didn't even. Oh, this is new.
He's not new.
This is what they're talking about.
Was the new hotel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, no me gusta. It's nice though, I'm going to lie.
But it was built in this 2 years ago already. It just wasn't this far.
Oh, okay, maybe that's what it is. So we're doing a little mini tour so Crystal could see Aruba, where she grew up, but she doesn't remember a
Wat waren
thing.
jullie toen jullie verhuisden?
I did my last year of basisschool. So I think 11, 12.
Not to bash my island or anything, but this is just
Embassy
getting out of
suites.
hand.
Yes,
Like I
right.
never even see embassy suites.
Yes, they've been there already. 2 years ago it was already there.
Yeah, they were building it, but it wasn't
It was
finished.
finished already 2 years ago.
Nah, I don't think so, because I didn't see
But
that
you
one.
remember everything, huh?
I do. Like vroeger was het echt.
Ja,
It was just not for you to just
conocí.
como, yeah.
Como un
Weet
lugar
je wat
para
conocie is? Want je praat, but she not understanding what you're saying. Conocie
was known
betekent like
as-
known. It was known as the spot where it's not very safe for you to go to.
Where it could go down.
Yeah. I think I've been in there a couple of times.
I didn't go
They had like
into
a young kids party. I think
Osaki.
a girl went the party for her birthday, and that's when I went in there.
I tell you, because Gusto been there.
Gusto been there, but I feel like the hit spot used to be Confession,
Yeah, Confession
and then
was
it
number
become
one.
thing. That's a
like that.
nice house. Gorgeous. Anyways, what was I saying again? So yeah, when the clubs used to
After the
close,
main
so
clubs
I think they
close.
used to close what 12 o'clock.
No, you see, at hotel you don't go. The club
3
was
o'clock.
closed at 3 o'clock in the
Yes,
morning.
that's
After
the
3
time.
o'clock,
Then
everybody would
we'll
go
go to the mill.
Molen.
Molen specifically.
So everybody coming already drunk, high on all kind of substances.
Yeah. And then you used to pick
And then the
fights.
yes.
Yeah, this is where we used to go
High
to
school.
school.
Yeah.
Yep. This is where we met. Right there in the back. Daar heb je een boom. And that's where we met. We're now going to go to my parents' hotel where they're staying, because that's where we're sleeping over tonight. We're family hopping. I think I want to jump in the pool too tonight. I'm not sure. I might not. But tomorrow morning we're going to go swim with the turtles, which is fun. We gaan hè, Chris?
Ja.
Like ook in het water bedoel ik. Kom, it's the most magical
Ja,
thing you'll see.
ja.
I only did it once, maar het was echt magical. Yeah.
Okay.
I can't wait to take this makeup off. I'm so oily. I tried out the L'Oreal setting spray, the one that's supposed to be transfer proof and sweat proof, but no. Actually, I tried it the second time because the first time I already knew it wasn't doing what it had to do. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. The soothing colors of a sunset bring feelings of serenity and tranquility. And after a stressful day like today, seeing this beauty makes me feel like the possibilities this summer are endless. What makes you feel like the possibilities are endless? Let me know in the comments down below. See you next time. Is that really important right now? Music is so important. 7 a.m. in the morning. She's calling, I'm yawning.
When we go back.
I can't wait. Home, home, home. Getting married. Nee, maar ik wist niet dat je die gekozen had.
Ik heb het toen gelijk gekocht.
The excitement is getting real. Hebben jullie nagels al gedaan? Nee, hè?
Mijn nagels zijn altijd gedaan.
Oké.
Sorry.